1741, we still operate on our original charter granted to us by King George II of England. We have been challenged and we claim, and we still are proven, and we have proven, we are America's oldest military organization still operating under its original charter. The cannons in front of you were made by Paul Revere in about 1796. They were delivered to us in 1798. And I have made the claim that nowhere else in the United States will you see a battery of 4 original cannons of that period firing. I have made that claim for the last couple of years. No one's disproved me yet. You might find 1. You won't find 4. To my knowledge, there are 5 of these cannons left in existence. You're looking at 4 of them. The 5th one is in Australia. So, there are a lot of cast iron cannons of this period around. A cast iron cannon, when it gets old and gray like a lot of us, that's not talcum powder. Becomes, if you put a charge in it, becomes like a hand grenade. And you don't really want to be around a cannon when it explodes. So, that's why a lot of original cannons that are cast iron aren't fired. The iron gets tired, and you really don't want to have a lot of people bleeding on top of you. A bronze cannon, when it gets tired, does not explode. It just sort of blows up like a balloon, like an aneurysm would, if those who know what I'm talking about. Just like that at the cast bell or the rear part of the cannon. At that point, you have to melt it down, send it back to the foundry, and get a new one. However, we do not put in a full charge. We put in a little less than half. And you'll see even less than half makes an awful big bang. And that's why we ask for, when we do start the fire, everybody be on the outside of the fences. The reason being, that way I can look downfield when I fire, and I know that no one's in front of me. The flame on those will burn this poor girl's hair. That far. If you're in front of it, I guarantee your eardrums are going to go, oh my God. So if you're off to the side, if for little children, please put your hands over their ears so they don't damage the young eardrums. The rest of us old guys, you've heard a lot of cars backfired, it won't hurt you. As long as you're on the outside. If you're in front, I'll pray for you. Gun 1, make ready. Give fire!
Man, I wonder why you stay outside. Wow.
Just he went on his own. He was going out.
The bird?
Yeah.
Get the hell out of the square when this is going on. It's time to go.
Well, I do love what's happening.
Yeah. Good cheerful thunder.
Saying, what did you bring?
I will cover your ears, honey, once you're going to do it.
This is not what I get.
I didn't sign up for this.
Yeah.
Gun 2, make ready. Give fire!
He's going to get his mouth open. Oh, so just 21 minutes was there.
Fire! Give fire! Fire! Give fire! Make ready! Give fire! Make ready!
Happen again.
Give
Coming
fire!
again. You'd like to get chin again on this.
Ladies and gentlemen, our 21st shot in honor of the United States of America. God save our nation and may it live for a long, long time. Gun one! Stay ready! What we're going to do now, in honor of all those men and women who have fought for freedom throughout the years in whatever country they fought for our soldiers who are still fighting today in places around the world that some of us have never heard of. We honor them. For those who gave the ultimate sacrifice, we honor them more. And when you see a veteran, no matter where and when you see a soldier in uniform, just say thank you. Thank you. For freedom is not free. Thank you. We will now go task. Turn up and punch. Artillery Company, battery fire!